Sir, we have so many other issues in the economy right now to be focusing on. Is this the right time to be continuing, or do we have enough energy in the Congress, in the Senate? We have to be passing, ayuda and suspension of fuel excise taxes. Is there enough bandwidth to be still probing into this? And of course, even we see the ICI is set to close on March 31st. People are worried na the flood control issue will be put na naman to the back burner because of all these more pressing issues. What do you think is going to be happening here?
Tama ka, no? There are more pressing issues given the recent developments in Iran. So and its impact on our national economy. So it's not really advisable for our political leaders to prioritize all this politicking. I consider this as politicking, kasi I think itong these political actions seem to serve their own interest. Kumbaga man, this is all about elite competition, not really to serve the public interest. So if they could, if they would be able to master the strength and if they would be able to bring back the discipline, wag mo na sana nila unahin yung politika, no? Unahin nila yung public interest. Gaya nga niyan, meron ng nararamdaman na natin yung posibleng economic crisis na may dudulot ng tigalot sa Middle East. So my advice to our political leaders is to stop this and focus on their job, focus on the public interest rather than self-interest. About the ICI, I think parang given all the press statements of Malacanang, the media statements, and the famous line of the president during his last SONA, mahiya naman kayo, parang underwhelming, o kaya napaka-modest ng achievements ng ICI. It wasn't what we were expecting the ICI to achieve. We were expecting more individuals to become the subject of
correct
cases that would be recommended to either the ombudsman or the DOJ, pero hindi ganun karami, no? Nasan pati yung may mga big fish, pero again, kulang yung no? I think so far there are only 8 individuals na na-file ng mga cases. We were expecting more because we are talking about systemic corruption. And when you say systemic corruption, almost everyone in the government is involved. Bakit wawalo lang ang ating nababalitaan na mga individuals na kinasuhan? So it's disappointing that this is going to be, that this is the end game of the ICI. Nakakalungkot.